Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ah, let's do it. Let's do it. Get her done. Yep, yep, yeah. Let's get her. Let's get right into the news. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get her done. Getting her done right now. Right now. Ooh, frame drop. Frame drops.
Here we are. Ground zero. Dimensional gates opening around the world.
Let's do it.
Would come back to some
Woo, 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 woo. Hooray, hooray. Yippee. 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 Hooray. Huzzah. Woohoo. Waha. Hee hee. Yo-ho. Ah. Ooh. Wee. Ah. Man, this thing goes far. This is literally my first time using it. I don't even know how I unlocked it. Man, I sure do miss this game. This game for babies, but it's a fine. Don't worry about it. So, I recently reinstalled this game on my computer because I had to move. I think I moved it to a different drive or something. So my shaders are not compiled right now, bro. Oh. Luckily, this game isn't hard. I'm too mean. I genuinely... Cold War is genuinely probably my favorite zombies game that is not Black Ops 3, because Black Ops 3 is cheating. Alright, round 4, baby. Just get her done. Yip, yip. Hooray! Yip, yip. Hooray! Yip, yip. Hooray! Poor PC, bro. Scythe level 2. Come here. Come here, motherfucker. Ka-chow. So many points. Not enough hours in the day. Yowie. Ow, you're hurting me. Oh, thank God I got an insta-kill.
Dropped him.
Trying to figure out just exactly how long the range is on this thing. Stop it. Bad zombie. Psh, psh, psh. Bad. Hello? Anyone there?
Like more than a few this time.
What are you doing? Get out of here.
Undead enemy down.
Yowie. Oh boy, one more round.
Had that coming.
Chop, chop, chop.
Ain't wasting it. Undead slotted. Get fucked.
Yay! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! 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 Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Yeah. 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 Mm. 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 Yeah. No. 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 I'm being overwhelmed.
Need a medic. Sharpish.
All right, come back here, you two. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all think y'all special? uh, uh. Now y'all ain't shit. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, yeah. Come get some. Uh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Take my time. Take my time. Win the fight. Yeah, you ain't special. You ain't special. Oh, yeah. 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 Fight. 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 Ja. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Ooh. 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 Get him. Get him. You are the lucky one. The last remaining zombie. You shall be rewarded with my head. Did I do it?